What is good, YouTube, man? It's the Hytman Twins back here with another video, and today, man, we got another banger for y'all boy, man. We got another banger, man. You know, we only gotta upgrade the Scat, man. The Scat gotta be looking right, man. So you know what I'm saying. So it's another mod for the Scat. You feel what I'm saying, boy? But yeah, it's another mod, man. I'm gonna give y'all boy 10 seconds in the comment section. What do y'all think we doing to the Scat now, man? Hey, but hold on though, man. Hey, we just recently hit 1,000 subscribers, man. Hey, man, we appreciate it, man. I ain't gonna lie, my boy Jay sweating out y'all. Y'all see that drop? My boy Jay sweating. Yeah, man, y'all boy, we really appreciate y'all boy, man. When we did just hit 1,000 subscribers, so y'all boy, stay tuned, man. And we is gonna do a giveaway. Mark our word. So yeah, just stay rocking with us, man. So we at my boy Logan sister spot. You feel what I'm saying? My boy Logan right there. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, dog, I'm gonna give y'all like 10 seconds. You feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all boy 10 seconds. What y'all think we did to the Scat? You know what I'm saying? Let me know in the comment section down below. Show them what it's about. Alright, for sure. You feel what I'm saying, man? So yeah, man, we did went with a splitter, man. Yeah, can y'all already see the splitter on the Scat, bro? Like, come on, let's be for real, man. This junk gonna make the front end look crazy. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, man, the Scat need a wash. You feel what I'm saying? Scat do need a wash, but we gonna get her looking right. You feel me? Got a little meat to go to. So yeah, we did went there with a splitter. You know what I'm saying? This is a 2-piece splitter. We gonna show y'all step by step how we install it. And yeah, they come with 4 little pieces. You feel what I'm saying? And this is the hardware. You're gonna need a fill up, a big fill up, and a small fill up. You feel what I'm saying? To complete this. And yeah, y'all boys stay tuned, and we're gonna show y'all boys step by step of how we install the splitter. So yeah, man. Shoot, what come in the box is gonna be these 2 little side pieces for the side of the little side skirts or whatnot, and then these 2 right here is gonna be for the middle of the splitter right here, and that's gonna be your hardware. And we're gonna show y'all boys step by step how we install it. So we're just gonna take y'all boy with us. Peace. So yeah, y'all, so we got it laying on its front right now. This is the hardware we're gonna be installing it with. So yeah, so the little side skirt piece, you know, just make sure these 2 little tabs right here on this side line up with that, and vice versa on the other side over here. Alright, so this gonna be the underpiece in the middle. You're gonna find I think these 2 and match it up, so you can like put it close to the splitter and see where it goes. You're just gonna let it sink, let it drop in its holes, and boom. So yeah, now we're just gonna put the hardware in, and we'll be right back. That's loading job, boy. Right now it's off. This is how it look without it. And you feel what I'm saying? We're just gonna give y'all a little sneak peek of how that junk gonna look. Logan there, so.
But yeah, that's how that thing gonna look, man. But yeah, y'all boys stay tuned, man. Alright, man, so boom, man. So we did install a splitter, man. You know what I'm saying? Got a little few scuffs, maybe because this was on a thing or whatever. But yeah, man, that's how the splitter look. So yeah, this splitter is crazy, y'all. Like, what? But yeah, man. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, man. How y'all think the Scat look with the splitter? You feel what I'm saying? How y'all think it looked with the splitter? Y'all let me know it down in the comment section of how the Scat look with the splitter, man. You feel what I'm saying? And we got little little splitter rods to hold it up too. So hey, man, this thing gonna looking good, bro. If y'all boy enjoyed this video, make sure y'all boy like, comment, subscribe. Let's get this video to 20+ likes, man. We recently just hit 1K, man, and we really appreciate y'all boy. Y'all boy don't understand, man. Y'all boy stay tuned to this giveaway, man. We're gonna let y'all know. So if y'all haven't followed us on IG, follow us on IG at 𝐒𝐲𝑇wins with a Z 392. 𝐒𝐲𝑇wins with a Z 392. To stay tuned with the giveaway, man. So yeah, man, y'all already know what time it is, man. We're gonna keep on doing things to the Scat, and we can't stop, man. The grind doesn't stop, man. Let's get it, man. And y'all already know, we out here.